Rumors are heating up. Is TOSHI heading to Binance? The crypto space is buzzing right now. Timelines are heating up. Charts are waking up, and one name keeps popping up in serious discussions: TOSHI. The big question everyone is asking is simple but powerful. Is TOSHI heading to Binance? Well, we'll watch this video till the very end, because we're breaking down the facts, the momentum, and what really happens if Binance comes into the picture. And don't forget to subscribe to Satoshi Guy, because this channel stays ahead of the crowd, not behind it. Our charts don't lie, momentum is building. Let's start with the charts, because emotions lie, charts don't. TOSHI has been showing clear signs of accumulation. Volume is slowly increasing, selling pressure is weakening, and price is respecting key support zones. This is exactly how strong moves begin, quietly. We've seen this pattern before with multiple projects. Long consolidation, low volatility, smart money accumulation, then explosive expansion. Momentum indicators are turning bullish. RSI is recovering from oversold levels, and moving averages are beginning to compress. A classic pre-breakout setup. This doesn't mean instant pumps. It means a bull run structure is forming. Bull run setup, why TOSHI looks explosive? Bull markets reward patience, not panic. TOSHI's supply dynamics, growing holder base, and increasing on-chain activity are lining up perfectly with broader market sentiment. Improving. When Bitcoin stabilizes and liquidity flows into altcoins, projects like TOSHI benefit the most. Why? Because low to mid market cap assets move faster. Community-driven tokens outperform during hype cycles. Listings act as fuel, not the fire itself. And this brings us to the biggest topic. Well, what does it really take to get listed on Binance Spot? Let's be clear. Binance does not list randomly. For TOSHI to get listed on Binance Spot, several key factors matter. Strong and organic community. Binance looks closely at real engagement, not fake hype. TOSHI has continued to grow its community across social platforms, with holders staying active even during pullbacks. That's a big green flag, consistent trading volume. Binance wants liquidity. Projects that maintain healthy volume across multiple exchanges prove market demand. TOSHI has shown increasing volume during key moment, exactly what Binance watches. Transparent team and development. Even meme-driven tokens need structure. Progress updates, ecosystem growth, and clear communication all strengthen a project's credibility. A market demand, Binance ultimately lists what users want. When enough people ask, trade, and talk about a token, Binance listens. How TOSHI is working toward a Binance listing. TOSHI isn't sitting around hoping. Behind the scenes, liquidity is improving, visibility is expanding, community engagement is staying strong. Brand recognition is growing. This is how projects position themselves for top-tier listings. It's not overnight, it's strategic. Many tokens get rejected because they fade when hype dies. TOSHI is doing the opposite, building during silence, which is when smart projects are made. What happens if TOSHI gets listed on Binance? This is where things get interesting. A Binance Spot listing typically leads to massive exposure to millions of users, a surge in trading volume, increased trust from new investors, listings on other major exchanges following. But here's the most important part. The biggest gains usually don't happen on listing day. They happen before the listing, anticipation phase, and after consolidation, real bull run phase. A Binance listing can act as the launch pad, not the destination. But what comes next? Whether Binance confirms or not, one thing is clear. Momentum is building, the structure is forming, and the bull market is setting the stage. Smart investors don't chase candles. They position early, and that's exactly why you're watching this on Satoshi Guy. If you found value in this breakdown, subscribe to Satoshi Guy, smash the like button, and share this with anyone sleeping on TOSHI right now. Because when the rumors turn into headlines, you'll want to say you were early,